Okay, you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Lolli, which is a free Chrome plugin for your web browser. So you can install this plugin and go to like eBay, go to Microsoft, Sam's Club, Staples, Groupon, Nike is just a few of some of the retailers they work with, but there's lists of like thousands of them. So once you have this plugin installed, you simply go to the website where you want to purchase something. You click on the Lolli drop down and you just hit activate, and then bam, you make the purchase, and then within a couple of days, you get credit on crypto, and they'll actually pay you through Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you this real quick. So you go to lolli.com, that's LOLLI.com. You just hit add to Chrome, create an account, that's free. Now this is only for US only, as you can see that on their website. So if you are outside the US, sorry, hopefully they're going to be expanding. And then you create the account. And you can see here's some of the big companies they work with. And I'm just going to show you an example. And I'll actually show you what I've been earning so far. So I've been testing it for the past couple of months. And so far I've made some pretty good money coming back. So for example, once you have the plugin installed, you're going to get this little purple dot. And if you're on a website that supports Lolli, if you click on it before you check out, click on it, and then you can see that it does support the Microsoft store, and you're going to earn 1 to 6% Bitcoin cash back, I guess you could call it. And you could be 1% on laptops, maybe 5% back on games. I mean, it just depends on what you're going to buy through Microsoft. But like eBay, I believe it's 3% or 5% back on everything. So it doesn't matter what you buy. So eBay is really cool with that. And it works with GoDaddy. So if you renew your domain name, I mean, just install this plugin. And if you renew domain names, I mean, you just make free money coming back. So, I mean, it's worth it. So like I said, when you go to the website, make sure you hit activate. If you don't activate it, then you won't get any crypto back. So even if you have the plugin installed, you go through the checkout process. If you don't see the green bubble, then that means you're not going to earn any Bitcoin back. So it's very important that you activate it. So once we activate it, now I would say, let's say I wanted to buy this laptop, then I would customize it, go through the checkout process and purchase it, and then I'll actually earn that crypto back. So now I'm going to show you my actual Lolli account here. So this is my actual account that I've been using for the past couple of months, and this is how much money I've been earning. So you can see I do shop on eBay a lot, and you know, it's not a lot because some of my eBay transactions are not a lot. This was only like a $15 purchase and I earned 30 cents. You know, here's a GoDaddy under dollar back, probably renewing a $15 domain name or $20 domain name. Now, what was really cool is I took a vacation not too long ago, and Hotels.com takes Lolli. So I booked the hotel for I think for like $80. I got almost $5 back. I mean, hey, why not? It's free money. Another one is Staples. Staples, I did a big purchase there. I think I purchased you know, a new laser printer, and I got, you know, almost $8 back. Here's another GoDaddy for $12. Another GoDaddy for $4. I mean, so you can just keep adding up, adding up. So this is just something I wanted to tell people because a lot of people don't know about Lolli. And hey, if you do a lot of online purchasing, this is a great little cash back you can get on some of those purchases. And like I said, you earn that back in Bitcoin. So, you know, if you definitely want to get in crypto, but you don't really want to spend your money because you're just leery about it, this is a great way to get into having your own crypto wallet and having some Bitcoin without using your own money. And you just get it cash back on your everyday purchases you probably do every day on eBay, GoDaddy, Hotels.com, Staples. I mean, they got thousands of different merchants. So definitely check this out, you guys. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.